I was here for almost 6 months. We need 50K.
और नेता नामी अमरीकी खातून इस वक्त इमारत की पार्टी एरिया में मौजूद है। खातून को तहफ़्फ़ुज़ फराहम करने के लिए पुलिस की नफरी तैनात की गई है। ताहम पुलिस का ये कहना है कि जब तक आला अफसरान की तरफ से कोई नोटिस नहीं आ जाता, खातून की इजाज़त के बगैर उनको कहीं मुंतकिल नहीं कर सकते। ताहम खातून का वीज़ा जो है इस वक्त 11 फरवरी तक उसकी मियाद बरकरार है। उससे पहले खातून कहीं नहीं जाने वाली, जबकि इलाके में जो है इस वक्त खातून को देखने के लिए जमे गफीर लग गया है और कल से इलाके की यही सूरत हाल है।
October 11th. My demand today is to put on a newspaper that y'all gonna give us money tomorrow or by the ending of this week. We need 50K. I was here for almost 6 months. Well, the only place I explored was the Hampton Hotel, the fanciest hotel of Karachi, the expensive hotel. They really nice, they cool. Y'all should check them out. No, I'm used to this. This is nothing. What's my plan? My plan is to fix up this building, shield the front, make the front stronger, and yeah, basically. Yes, it is comfortable for me, and y'all gonna make it comfortable. That's the solution for my problem, is to make this place safe as possible. It's kids in here, and everybody love this place, and we're gonna make this place a home. Yes, I ate lunch and breakfast here. We eat all day, every day. We eat. We Muslim. We eat every minute. Home cooked meals. It's not about that. It's about money. So send it in. Okay? He got nothing to do with that. It's private. I'm Muslim. We don't talk about that. They canceled my visa, the immigration today. I'm not staying. I'm going to Dubai. After y'all fixed up everything here and put everything in motion.